KINGFISHER, the ultimate waterproof fishing drone with bait release. The KINGFISHER Fishing Drone is a revolutionary tool designed to transform your fishing experience. This rugged and reliable drone combines advanced technology with exceptional durability, making it the perfect companion for both offshore and recreational anglers. With its waterproof design, long flight time, and powerful bait release system, the KINGFISHER opens up new possibilities for targeting fish in previously inaccessible locations. Key features: IP66 waterproof rating. Built to withstand harsh marine environments, the KINGFISHER is fully waterproof, capable of floating for up to 3 hours, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. 30-minute flight time. Maximize your fishing time with a nearly 30-minute flight duration on a single charge, no load, allowing you to explore vast areas and locate prime fishing spots. 1 kilogram maximum payload. Carry substantial bait loads with the drone's impressive 1 kilogram maximum payload capacity, enabling you to target larger fish. 1500-meter transmission distance. Maintain a strong and reliable connection with a 1500-meter transmission distance, providing extended range for offshore fishing. 4K camera with single-axis gimbal. Capture stunning 4K aerial footage and real-time video monitoring with the integrated camera and single-axis gimbal. The 90-degree rotating gimbal allows for versatile shooting angles. GPS GLONASS positioning. Enjoy precise flight control and automated features with the Ublox Neo M8N GPS GLONASS satellite positioning module. Auto cast bait release. Deliver your bait with pinpoint accuracy using the automated bait release system, making sea fishing safer and easier. No magnetic compass calibration required. The drone's built-in GPS automatic heading correction and compass interference monitoring eliminate the need for manual compass calibration. Smart APP control. 5G Wi-Fi monitor real-time flight status, data, and video on your smartphone with the 5G Wi-Fi-enabled app. Durable and portable design. The lightweight, 1.2 kilograms, and foldable design, coupled with a carrying suitcase, makes the KINGFISHER easy to transport and deploy. High wind resistance. Fly with confidence in winds up to Class 6, ensuring stable and reliable performance. Multifunctional projector. Some models include a multifunctional projector for enhanced visibility or signaling. All-round security system. Comprehensive safety features ensure a secure and reliable flight experience. Specifications: waterproof level IP66. Battery 4,800 mAh. Drone weight 1.2 kilograms, including standard battery. Transmission distance 1500 m. Positioning: Ublox Neo M8N GPS GLONASS. Hover accuracy: vertical ±0.8 m, horizontal ±2.5 m. Wind speed less than or equal to Class 6. Maximum wind speed, Class 6. Maximum load, 1 kilogram. Flight time, approximately 30 minutes, no load. Camera, 4K with single-axis gimbal. Benefits: revolutionize your fishing experience with precise bait delivery. Explore previously inaccessible fishing locations. Capture stunning aerial footage of your fishing adventures. Enjoy extended flight times and reliable performance in harsh conditions. Increase your chances of catching more fish with advanced technology. Perfect for family vacations, adding an exciting new element to beach trips. Overall, the KINGFISHER Fishing Drone is a game-changer for anglers seeking to enhance their fishing experience. Its rugged design, powerful features, and user-friendly operation make it the best choice for capturing stunning footage and maximizing your fishing success.